DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo results. 93 minutes changed my travel game. Last beach trip, I handed my phone to a stranger for a group shot and instantly regretted every life choice that led me there. The photo came back with half our heads cut off and everyone looking like wet gremlins. Ever felt like your vacation memories deserve better than potato quality? Drop your worst phone camera betrayal below.
That quiet disappointment when the moment happens, but your phone can't capture the scale, the wind, the actual vibe. You were there, living it, and still end up with flat, boring proof you were even on the planet. Imagine pulling out something pocket-sized that films the whole scene like a movie, without needing a film crew.
Then the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo showed up. Under 249 grams, so no registration drama. O2 transmission that actually reaches 10 kilometers without dropping. True 2.7K video that looks cinematic straight out of camera. Rock-solid 3-axis gimbal that laughs at wind. 3 batteries for 93 real minutes of flight. Quick shots that make you look like a pro with one tap. Return to home that brings it back even if you panic, and it literally fits in your jacket pocket. True story. Golden hour at the lake, kids jumping off the dock, sun exploding behind them. Phone would have been trash. Sent the Mini 2 SE up, hit Helix QuickShot, 30 seconds later had slow-motion cinematic footage that made my wife cry happy tears. That feeling when your vacation actually looks like the postcard in your head? Yeah, that's the stuff.
Here's what actually happens. You stop handing your phone to strangers. Every trip gets footage your friends spam how. 3 batteries mean you never cut a flight short. Quick shots turn basic vacations into mini movies. You come home with memories that don't suck. Drone experts say the O2 transmission alone smokes every other beginner drone. Travel creators are using the Fly More combo as their only camera now because 2.7K plus gimbal looks better than most phones in 4K. One analyst said DJI owns 80% of the sub 250 grams market because nothing else is even close. A mom told me her kids now fight over who gets to fly it on holiday. My personal high, watching the footage on the TV, and my dad said, "When did you hire a film crew?" I just smiled. Biggest objection I see is drones are complicated. Bro, my 63-year-old mom was doing orbits on day 1. Thousands of us are quietly making every weekend look like a Netflix special. Which quick shot would you spam first, Droney or Helix? Tell me below.
Imagine pulling epic cinematic shots out of your pocket anytime inspiration hits. No registration, no stress, just pure magic. Join the travelers, families, and secret pros already living this ridiculous freedom with the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo. The exact bundles I use are moving fast because people keep buying 2, one for home, one for travel. Click the link in the description right now to grab yours. Don't just watch, jump in and make your next trip unforgettable today. Your future footage is waiting.